if you're a fresher who just learned Salesforce and is looking to get an opportunity, the thing is, a lot of employers out there want someone who's an experienced professional who can start the job from day one. But instead, what these people I think should do is they should start doing internships for free, or they should start just volunteering their work to the other contractors who are working into this space, who are willing to leverage some tasks to these people. And in like, so what these contractors want, they want to do as much of the jobs as they can do in the same time frame that they've got, and they want to earn as much as they can and keep it to themselves. That's why they've become contractual people, right? So they are actually looking for these people who just want to do a job and do not want to take much of a salary, just a little stipend, or even there are some people out there who are just willing to work for free. So they should start looking out for these contractual people who are working at different projects or in different positions, and they should start working for them for free, and eventually they learn enough of the things to actually get a job into the market. Or if there are some companies where they are working into Salesforce and they are hiring some freshers, they should immediately go and join those companies, because there are very few out there who are doing that, and that will pay them a lot in a longer run. So yeah, these are certain things that I think they can do in order to get into the industry. And after getting into the industry, it becomes very
No, I
easy.
agree. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I agree with that approach too. The thing you don't want to do is just be taken advantage of either, right? And so don't expect, don't work for free for 6 months. I just think that's kind of overkill. I would say if you can work for, 6 weeks just to get your bearings and to show some examples, and then ask that contractor you're working for if they could, pay you a little something just to make sure, you're getting compensated for it. But, and people have different takes about working for free. Some don't agree with it. Some do agree with it.
Agree,
But
agree.
at the end of the day, it's like you got to do whatever it takes to get your foot in the door. If that means working for free and working 12 hours a day to get started for a few weeks, then do that, right? I'm not saying that's the only way to do it, but I'm saying if that opportunity is presented to you, take advantage of that opportunity versus waiting for your ideal situation that could take you a year down the road. You just got to get your foot in the door of doing something versus doing nothing.
If one is really determined for it, I don't think that person should actually think about getting compensated
That's
initially.
right.
But what they should think about is getting their skills on track, and once they are confident enough into their skill sets, they'll automatically get compensated for it, I guess. And if they are not getting compensated, then they should ask for getting compensated.